Hello class, welcome to SciChem. Here we are another session for lecture number 2 of phase equilibria. In the previous class, we have already discussed about what is phase and what is component. Now we are going to deal with a various lot of problem how to calculate component of a, and trust me guys, this is much more important as compared to phase. So let us consider we have a question regarding Na2SO4 and water system, and for this system we have to calculate C. So I am considering various cases such as case number 1, consider salt Na2SO4 completely dissociate, H2O doesn't, water does not dissociate. So if Na2SO4 completely dissociates, then I have 2Na plus and SO4 2 minus, and this is present with water, but water does not undergo dissociation. So how many numbers of species are present here? That is species number 1, species number 2, species number 3 and species number 4. So here n equal to 4. I have to calculate component. So C is equal to, we have formula n minus E minus R. That means C is equal to n minus E minus R. N is the number of species or constituent present in the system. 4 constituent. E is the equilibrium. It is not a equilibrium reaction. It is only the reaction only in forward direction. And R is the restricted condition. R is the restricted condition. So here I can simply write C is equal to number of constituent 4 minus, since there is no equilibrium reaction, so 0, and restricted condition. There is no condition is showing, so I can put here 0. So I can simply say that it is 4 component system, but it is wrong. You have to know what type of restricted conditions are there. By observing this, Na plus and SO4 2 minus, that means in this solution charge on Na plus is equal to charge on SO4 2 minus, is 2Na plus is equal to SO4 2 minus. So this is one condition. This is one condition. Don't panic, just observe this kind of problems. This is one condition. So C is equal to 4 minus 0 minus 1, and it will be equal to 3. So it is a 3 component system. If we consider salt Na2SO4 completely dissociated but water does not, then come to next part. Salt is partially I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Here Na2SO4 completely dissociate, that means Na2SO4 completely dissociates in water. So here phase equal to 1. Phase equal to 1. So here the species are 1, 2, 3, and water is also a species. Water is also a species, but we are considering Na2SO4 completely dissociated. If Na2SO4 completely dissociated, that means there will be no Na2SO4 left. If there will be no Na2SO4 left, then the number of constituent will be This is Na plus, number of constant will be Na plus, SO4 2 minus and water. Since Na2SO4 completely dissociate, that means there will be no Na2SO4. So why we are considering that as a constituent? You do not consider that as a constituent. We are just considering Na plus, SO4 2 minus and water. So here N equal to 3. So C is equal to 3 minus 0 minus 1. That means charge on ions, that will be equal to 2. This is our two component system. This is wrong, sorry, this is wrong. Okay, C is equal to 2. Now come to next point. Salt is partially dissociated and water does not. Water does not dissociate. So I can say Na2SO4 gives rise to 2Na plus SO4 2 minus. And water does not dissociate. So how many number of constituents are there? Since Na2SO4 is partially dissociated, that means it also present. So constant number 1, constant number 2, constant number 3, and this is our constant number 4. So N equal to 4. Number of component is equal to N minus E minus R. So C is equal to 4 minus. How many number of equilibrium? 1 equilibrium. Restricted condition means number of total charge on cation is equal to total charge on anions. Ions are present, so I can use minus 1. So here component is equal to 2. C, consider salt completely ionized but water partially ionized. In that case, I can write here Na2SO4 gives rise to 2Na plus, SO4 2 minus, water H plus plus OH minus. Since water gives H plus plus OH minus, so no Na2SO4 is left, so it does not consider a constituent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of constant is equal to N is equal to 5. So C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to 5 minus, what is E? 1 equilibrium. Restricted condition, ions are present 1 and another minus 1. N is equal to 5. E equilibrium is present between H2O, H plus OH. R restricted condition, ions are present. And another minus 1 I have put here, that is not another H plus or OH minus on the basis of it. Simply remember, if water dissociate, then it will give H plus and OH minus, and we have already studied in ionic equilibrium that H plus ions concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. It is also one restricted condition, so I have put here another minus 1, so that is equal to 2. It is also two component system. If I am considering salt partially ionized and water partially ionized, salt partially ionizes and water partially ionizes, then I can simply write Na2SO4 gives rise to 2Na plus, SO4 2 minus, water H plus plus H minus. So how many number of constant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 constants are present. So C is equal to N minus E minus R. And C is equal to number of species 6 minus 2 equilibriums are present, and restricted condition is 1 for ions, charge on cation is equal to charge on anions, and another is the concentration of H plus ion equal to OH minus, and this is applicable only and only for if H plus and OH minus come from water only. If the H plus and OH minus comes from water only, then this condition will be applicable. And here we have seen H plus and OH minus comes from water, so I have minus 1. So C is equal to 6 minus 4, that equal to. So if this is a case given Na2SO4 H2O, by considering all 4 cases, we can simply say that the component is equal to 2. And what case do you choose, that is up to you. Your choice is that. So now we are solving another problem. Question number 2. Consider in a system species are present. Those species are, what are those species? Written like this: Na2SO4, Na plus, SO4 2 minus, H2O liquid, H plus, OH minus, H2O solid, H2O gas. So in a system, these type of species are present. So we are going to calculate the number of components. First we have to calculate number of species. Number of species is the number of constant present in the system. Since Na2SO4 is present, that means Na2SO4 here, Na2SO4 is present in the system. That means Na2SO4 is partially ionized. You have to get idea about that. Okay, so another equilibrium is also present. Water is present with respect to H plus and OH minus. That means water is also undergo partial dissociation. H2O liquid, solid and gas is also present. That means we have to consider water solid is in equilibrium with water liquid, that is also in equilibrium with water. So here the number of species 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of species is equal to. Now we are going to calculate the number of components. So C is equal to N minus E minus R. So C is equal to number of species, that will equal to 8 minus equilibrium. How many equilibriums are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equilibrium. Minus what are the restricted condition? One restricted condition for ions and another restricted condition for H plus and OH minus ion. That will be equal to minus 1 minus. So I can simply say that C is equal to 2. It is 2 component system. 2 component. Another question is that prove that NaCl KCl water is 3 component system, whereas NaCl KBr water is 4 four component system. So first we have to consider this is A and this is B. NaCl KCl water, if we considering NaCl KCl completely dissociate, then I can simply write NaCl gives rise to Na plus Cl minus, and KCl gives rise to K plus Cl, and water does not dissociate. So in this case I can write no NaCl left, no KCl left. So number of species Na plus 1, K plus 1, 2 Cl minus, that means these two are 1 species, 3, and water is 4. So total number of species is equal to 2 chlorides are present, so we have to take 1 species. So C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to 4 minus E 0 minus restricted condition is ions are present 1. So it is 3 components that we have proved. If we consider NaCl partially dissociate and KCl partially dissociate, water also partially dissociate. So I can write NaCl, Na plus, Cl minus, KCl, K plus, Cl minus, water, H plus, OH minus. So in this case I can write these are partially dissociate. The species are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So N is equal to 8. C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to 8 minus how many number of equilibrium? 3 minus restricted condition 1 for ion and another is for H plus ion concentration equal to H minus. So component 2, 3 component system. Similarly, we can easily calculate, we can easily prove NaCl KBr water is a 4 component. So NaCl, consider NaCl completely dissociate, Na plus, Cl minus, KBr also completely dissociate. This is case 1 and this is case 2. What case do you choose, that is up to you, but the component will remain constant. For this case C is equal to 3, for this case C is equal to 3. So here NaCl gives rise to Na plus Cl minus and KBr gives rise to K plus Br minus. So these are completely dissociated and water is undissociated. So number of species is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N is equal to 5, C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to N 5 minus E, there is no equilibrium 0, condition 1. So 4. Hence proved. NaCl KBr water is 4 component and is 3 component. Next, another important question is there. In a system, there is presence of AlCl3, water, AlOH whole thrice, HCl, Al3 plus, Cl minus, H plus, OH minus. In a system, this number of species are present. By considering these species, we have to consider what are the reaction or what are the possible reaction? Since AlCl3 is present, aluminum ion is chlorine also present, so by using the I can simply write AlCl3 dissociate Al3 plus CCl minus. Okay, and water H plus OH minus. Aluminum hydroxide also present, it also partially dissociate COH minus. And HCl, no doubt it is a strong electrolyte, but HCl is present with a Cl minus and H plus. We have to consider the equilibrium also, H plus and minus. So how many species are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So N is equal to 8. C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to 8 minus equilibrium. There are 4 equilibrium reactions. And what are the restricted condition? 1 for ion. And another is H plus and OH minus concentration. So C is equal to 2. If I put C is equal to 2, this is wrong. Why wrong? Again, C is equal to N minus E minus R. C is equal to 8 minus number of equilibrium, that will be equal to 4. What are the restricted condition? One restricted condition for ion. One restricted condition is for ion, so I can simply write -1. But another restricted condition we are considering here, H plus and OH minus, but this OH minus is not only coming from water but also from aluminum hydroxide. So we don't know the OH minus is coming from water or aluminum hydroxide. The concentration of H plus is equal to OH minus is applicable only and only for water. So the OH minus concentration is equal to H plus ion concentration is not a condition. Not a condition. So we are not using another condition. So C is equal to, this is a 3-component system. So another question is there. Aluminum hydroxide, water plus OH minus, Cl minus, plus. So aluminum hydroxide present, AlOH whole thrice plus 3, and water is also present. How many number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 6 number of species are present. So N is equal to N minus R. 6 minus 2 equilibrium minus restricted conditions are 1 for ion, 1 for H plus components. Sorry, I made a mistake. This OH minus is coming from water also, sorry. 3 components. Okay, so this is all about calculation of number of component. I am giving some examples or questions about calculation of number of components so that you can try it yourself. So one question is calculate number of components for a system having, I'm writing here, Na plus Cl minus Ag plus NO3 minus AgCl solid water. This is one question. Calculate component. Another question. NH4Cl, NH4 plus Cl minus H2O liquid, H plus OH minus NH3 NH4OH water. For this system calculate component. So these two questions you have to solve. So this is all about calculation of component. Thanks for watching.